What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Crunch The Compressor. Today I'm going to be working with the TCL-2 twincom twin topology opto compressor limiter by Brainworx and Millennia. This is a very nice and pristine sounding compressor. I really like the way it sounds on the material, but you know, it can definitely crunch if you push it, get that threshold, and get a lot of gain reduction, which is exactly what we're going to do. We're not going to hit it lightly, we're going to hit it very heavily because I want you to see the kind of color that this imparts on the sound. So let's check it out. It's got on the 2 bus right now, factory default, so let's pop it in. Meter starts off with your input, so make sure to click this orange yellow button right here so you can see your gain reduction if that's what you want. Let's push it. Already right there, it's just popping those drums. Off right there. On. See, it's getting a nice snap to everything. I get the attack about halfway between 20 and 50 milliseconds. Fast release. Let's turn up the release. It's a 2-to-1 ratio right now, so it's already pretty snappy as it is. So let's put it to let's go to 4-to-1 already. So you can hear it just popping. About 10 dB gain reduction right there. Back off the mix, so let's see if we can blend it. Off. So yeah, it's not volume matched, but you can see. Very nice blend. Off. On. Very cool. It's got a twin topology, is this, I guess, circuitry. So when it's on, you click it on, you get the pure Class A discrete. So far it's been off, which is the pure Class A vacuum tube, but the discrete sound, the discrete JFET sounds pretty good too. Let's pop that on real quick. Hear that lift with that circuitry. A little bit of gain off with that circuitry. Let's pop this in and off. That's pretty cool. We'll leave that on here for a little bit. Let's see if we can get to like 20 gain reduction here. So the mix follows the gain reduction as well. So if I crank that up, it gives you a true reading. Hear it popping. And this is a good way to also understand the way the compressors work. So as you open up the attack, you're going to hear a lot more of the kit coming through. So check it out. Off. Getting a little bit past 7, so not too bad. This is also a mid-side style compressor, so let's go into that mode and then slam the mids and sides and just see what that sounds like. You're going to notice like a pressure. That's the best way I can describe it. And so far, if you've paid attention, it is that clean and pristine kind of compression sound. It does impart a color, but it's very nice. It's just it's classy, you know. Well, you can hear it. Let's go to mid side. Check this out. So I believe the left side here would be your mid, which is usually the center. Well, it is the center, but that's usually where you have your bass. And then the right side here would be your sides, which is your left and right. And you know, you have typically your highs in that area. So it's, and then you can choose circuitry between each side. So let's make the bass the vacuum tube, and then we'll keep the sides the pure Class A discrete JFET. Wow, check that out. See, you can get some really crazy effects like this too, and kind of blend that in. Off. That's weird, right? It's like a pressure. Like if you're hearing this on headphones, you'll understand what I mean by that. But check it out. On. Real phasey. The way it's affecting the stereo field just phases everything out, which is not necessarily a bad thing. I definitely encourage you to experiment and go beyond the typical set of rules, because you might develop a new style. Let's back off that output, because that's outrageous. So here's the bass portion. Oh, yeah, center it. Let's see if I can open up the bass. Go here to the sides. Pretty cool. So check this out. Listen to like, I'm gonna pop it in. It's just instantly gonna get kind of huge. Here we go. You can hear the reverb that I have on the snare, and it really bounces around. Off. On. So yeah, that's how it's going. So here's the stereo link. This would be a useful time for that, because I've been putting these output levels independent, depending on the threshold and the gain reduction I'm getting. So now I want to collectively kind of get the mix down, or the output down. So I'm going to stereo link them, and now get the output. Oh. Actually, that didn't do what I thought was going to do there. So I'm gonna have to do this manually. I believe that it may only work whenever it's on the mid-side mode. That's mid-side off. On. Here it is, instantly gets wider on the stereo field. Off. On. That's crazy. Well, this is the twincom twin topology opto compressor limiter TCL-2 by Brainworx, Plugin Alliance, Millennia. This is a very nice sounding compressor. Just the way it affects everything. turn this and go to a kind of a preset, so for excited ambience MS. Yeah, so you can hear the way that sounds on the stereo field again. Off. On. Wow, that's cool. If you're hearing that on headphones, you can really feel the separation and how this mid-side mode just really works with that, so. This gets real weak. Pretty crazy. So, hope you enjoyed hearing this Crunch the Compressor with the TCL-2, again by Brainworx Plugin Alliance, and go check it out. It's a very awesome piece of software, and enjoy using it a lot. So, good job on this one, guys. So, hope you liked it, and see you guys next time.